Okay friends, let's look at another interesting concept on columns. Okay, right, at times normally our documents they have one column, but what if we want 2 columns or 3 columns? All right, there are 2 ways of doing that I know of. Okay, the first one is to write, I'll just be using dummy text, so just some dummy text to write everything in one column. Dummy text there. A bunch of A's and A's and A's and A's. By the way, at school you're required to get a lot of A's. Okay, now after that, let's say it's your text, then you can highlight it and come to columns. Columns is under page layout. That's page layout. Then you've got columns, which is under page setup. All right. So the bottom line is to highlight the text that wanted to be spread into those columns. So I click columns. You see currently it was on 1. So let's say I want it to 2 columns. So it splits that text into 2 or 3 columns. You can split that text into 3 columns. So which means you just write the text first, then you go to where they want 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns, or so for the other options. Okay, your text will be left inclined or right inclined, all those kind of things. All right, but normally you'll be on 1 column. Okay, 2 columns, 3 columns. Okay, so that was option number 1. Let's see about option number 2. So let me take back to 1 column. Alright, option number 2 is just to start by selecting the number of columns. So I'll say, for instance, 2. You can even choose 3, but let me just choose 2. Now, as you can see up here, that this divides. This is column number 1, this is column number 2. Okay, so this one is the division here among these 2 columns. All right. So let me start by typing something. So it will start from column 1, then we'll jump over to column 2. So I'll just use AAA. Sorry, I have to activate the column again. Column, 2 columns, right? Right, so that will be AAA. Alright, so basically, as you can see, you can even go to your home tab and make some changes here. You want to remove underline, font color, black, whatever. See. Okay, so it's under page layout, the columns, we say 2. Alright, so you can play around with these options and have some fun. Okay, thank you.